Ready to take your productivity to the next level? Today we are looking at the NPTECH Z044 quad monitor table mount, the ultimate solution for multitaskers, traders, and coders. The Z044 supports up to 4 monitors simultaneously, ranging from 10 to 32 inches. Built with premium ironclad material, this stand is incredibly sturdy and designed to last. Stability is key when holding 4 screens. Each arm has a weight capacity of 8 kilograms, and the entire unit clamps securely to your table, ensuring your setup stays exactly where you want it. You get total control over your viewing angles. Adjust your monitors 90 degrees up or 90 degrees down. You can swivel, tilt, and rotate each screen to create the perfect ergonomic layout for your workflow. It supports standard VESA patterns of 75 by 75 and 100 by 100 millimeters, making it compatible with almost all modern monitors. Upgrade to a professional quad screen setup today. For more details and to browse our full range, visit nptechweb.com. Believe in quality with NPTech.